So there's sort of three ways to tie a fender on onto your lifelines. Some people you can actually use the lower lifeline as well, but for the sake of it, I'm just going to show up here. So the first one's the clove hitch. So you just wrap it over. That's probably the simplest one. If you were leaving your boat all winter and not coming back to it, you'd need something a little bit stronger, but that's the start one. So you have a clove hitch on a bight, which is what I use, just because it's a little bit quicker to get off. You make a clove hitch, and you pull it through, and you leave the bight on it, so it still works. But to undo it, you just pull it, so it's a lot quicker. And then the most secure, it's got a round turn and 2 half hitches. And that's definitely the most secure. You shouldn't really tie them in the middle of your lifelines anyway, but try and keep them as close to the stanchions as possible, but sometimes you haven't got a choice.